your 11th OpenGL tutorial. So last tutorial we successfully downloaded the GLAD library that we use to load the OpenGL function pointers, which we did here, and we create a function to manipulate the viewport alongside the window. So when the window resides, the viewport where we render into will be resized together. So, and then we created we set the function of the viewport with set frame buffer size callback. Here people know here this where we created the function phototype, then we set the viewport alongside. So in this tutorial, this is the 11th tutorial. If you don't understand all the previous tutorial, you can go back and check them or comment so I can help you if you don't understand anything. Well, in this tutorial, after setting the frame buffer and we run our program, the window will not be pretty much ready. It's not ready. It's still remaining some works to do before the window gets ready. So actually our window will pop up, but it will not be responding to it. No, it's not responding to anything. It's still loading things and it's not responding to anything. So we can't even cancel it. So this is what we are going to do here. Ready your engine. We don't want the application to draw a single image and then immediately quit. That's why we did this while GLF window should close the window. We want the application to keep drawing image and handling user input until the program has been explicitly told to. So that's why I did this while GLFW is not asked to close, do all these things. So we need the window to stay there till it is explicitly set to close. Don't worry, Matt on this. To stop, for this reason we have to create a while loop that we now call the render loop, that keep on running until we tell GLFW to stop. The following code shows a very simple render loop. This is a very simple render loop. So let's go on. The GLFW should close here. Function checks at the start of the loop iteration if GLFW has been instructed to close. If so, the function returns true. This function returns true, then and the game loop stop running. Everybody know this sign in this not. If GLFW is not asked to be closed, do this. After which we can close the application. The GLFW pull event. Now we are going to put GLFW pull event, which pulls every event, every mouse and every keyboard event. It acts on it. You understand? So we are going to put in the while loop everything in the window, to show in the window will be in the while loop. So let's create something here. The GLFW pull event, I'm gonna explain it. GLFW pull event, don't forget your semicolon. Now GLFW pull events function check if any event are triggered, like keyboard input or mouse movement event, update the